garage door opener won't lock properly? Let me tell you how to fix that so your garage stays secure without any hassle. Alright, first thing, check if the lock mechanism is just out of whack. Sometimes it's as simple as adjusting the lock so it lines up right with the striker plate. If that's not doing it, take a peek at the lock parts themselves, like the latch or the actuator, because if they're worn out or broken, they won't lock no matter what. You can usually find replacement parts pretty cheap online or at your local hardware store. When you're replacing anything, make sure you get the exact match for your model or it might not work right. Also, keep the moving parts clean and lubricated with a silicone spray so they don't get stuck or rusty. Another tip is to check the alignment of your garage door. If it's crooked or off track, the lock won't engage properly. And don't forget to test the opener's settings. Sometimes the lock feature can be disabled or need a reset. Lastly, if you're not feeling confident about messing with electrical components, call a pro to avoid any risk. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garage door opener locks is ignoring regular maintenance. That rust and dirt buildup messes with everything, so keep those parts clean and oiled. Another common problem is using generic replacement parts instead of ones made for your exact door opener model, which causes misalignment and failure to lock properly. The third issue is skipping a door alignment check. If your door isn't sitting right, no lock will hold. Fix these by scheduling routine cleanings, buying the right parts, check model numbers, and adjusting or calling someone to fix your door's alignment if it's off. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and get the job done right. It also helps contractors find new work easily, making it a win-win for anyone dealing with home repairs or upgrades.